Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy phone's screen appears to be yellow or tinted slightly. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on display. In here you'll need to scroll down and make sure this eye comfort shield option is disabled. If this is enabled, your screen might look slightly yellowish, so make sure to turn it off. Now tap on the screen mode option. In here you can try switching between these two modes. So if it's set to vivid, you can try selecting natural. If it's set to natural, try selecting vivid. Also make sure this slider is set in the middle, right in the middle. Now if this does not help, go back to the main settings page, scroll all the way down and tap on accessibility. In here you will need to tap on vision enhancements. Now scroll down and tap on this color filter option. Make sure this option is turned off, otherwise your screen might appear bluish, slightly tinted depending on the color you have selected. Make sure this option is turned off. However, if nothing else works, the last thing you can try is go to general management. Now scroll down and tap on this reset option. In here you can first try resetting the accessibility settings. This won't delete any of your personal Wi-Fi or Bluetooth settings, so make sure to try this first. However, if nothing else works, you can try resetting your phone as a last resort. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.